Hey, how's it going? Tyler over at Longhammer Chevy and Summit Place Drive. So right here we got a 2009 Honda Pilot, third row. This is actually the touring model. If you want to take a look at the back here, good amount of space here for any kids or any kind of guests that you have. This does seat 7. This is equipped with the 3.5 iVec motor, super strong, reliable motor. These things will run for 400,000 miles. Touring, 4-wheel drive. Now this does come equipped with your DVD player in the back. You do have headphone jacks in there. Watch all of your movies on there. And back in 2009, this would have been the Escalade on the road. All your amenities, everything's power. 12 seat, or I messed up, my bad. Here, you have all of your power amenities here. Everything's powerless, or power for windows, right? All automatic for your front. You do have memory seats as well. You have your 12-way power seat as well with lumbar support here. All right, here you have your dual climate zone. You do have navigation on this vehicle, all adjustable through here. You can actually adjust your 4-wheel drive right here. You do have your cruise control, your volume settings here, and your Bluetooth for hands-free driving, and a beautiful sunroof. Oh, hey, how's it going? Sorry, I was watching a movie here. We'll close that up real fast. Yeah, you have all of your auxiliary ports here to watch your movies with your headphones. You have your climate zone here as well. And while you're watching your movie, you got a spot for your popcorn and your drinks. You can adjust all of that right through here as well too. Pause it, fast forward your movie. Super nice. This comes out. I don't know how to get it out. It comes out. I don't want to break it. Okay, there we go. This comes out. This is your remote, so you can actually take this. You guys can photo over the remote. I don't know if you want to redo.
What is the highest car payment that one of your customers have paid?
$900. It was on a 2016 GTR. You ask, wow, that's a really good payment. 40 grand down.
Hey Joey, what are 2 things people don't know about the 2024 Corvette Stingray 2LT convertible?
Hello, Regina. Thanks for asking. Great question. 2 things people probably don't know about a Corvette is you can get it with a performance data recorder. Just plug in the USB into that front dash there.
The front dash? Joey, show me where the front dash is.
Yeah. You plug it in to the main screen there, right next to the steering wheel. It'll track your performance, the sound of the car while it's making moves on the track. It'll just track pretty much your whole drive. Another great thing is you can get this thing with an option called a lift, a memory lift. It'll lift the front of this car 2 inches above the ground for a curb, a bump, or a speed bump if you got a steep driveway. And it'll also remember that. So next time you come close to that thing you need to lift it for, it'll lift automatically, and after you turn off the car, it goes back down to the normal height.